root account security, protecting your main AWS account. In this tutorial, we'll explore one of the most critical aspects of AWS security, protecting your root account. The root account is the foundation of your entire AWS infrastructure, and securing it properly is absolutely essential for maintaining the safety of your cloud resources. Let's start by understanding what the root account actually is. The root account is created when you first set up your AWS account using an email address and password. This account is special because it has complete, unrestricted access to all AWS services and resources in your account. Think of it as the master key that can open every door in your AWS environment. There are no limitations or restrictions on what the root account can do. Because of its unlimited power, the root account comes with significant risks. First, it has complete control, meaning it can delete your entire infrastructure or even close the account permanently. Second, it's the prime target for attackers and hackers because gaining access to it gives them full control. Third, unlike other accounts, you cannot apply any restrictions or permission boundaries to limit what it can do. And finally, if compromised, it has unlimited ability to spin up expensive resources, potentially causing massive financial damage to your organization. Strategy number 1 for protecting your root account is simple: stop using it. The best practice is to use your root account only once to create your first IAM admin user, then lock it away and never touch it again. You should never use the root account for daily tasks or regular AWS operations. This single step dramatically reduces your security risk by minimizing the exposure of your most powerful credentials. Strategy number 2 is to enable multi-factor authentication on your root account before doing anything else. MFA, or multi-factor authentication, adds an extra layer of security beyond just a password. Even if your password is compromised by an attacker, they still cannot access your account without the second factor, which is typically a code generated by your mobile device or hardware token. This makes it exponentially harder for unauthorized users to gain access. You have 3 main options for MFA devices. The most recommended option is virtual MFA using apps like Google Authenticator, Authy, or similar authentication applications on your smartphone. The second option is hardware MFA devices like UBIKey, which are physical security keys that provide excellent protection. The third option is SMS text message codes, but this is the least secure method and is not recommended for protecting your root account due to vulnerabilities in SMS-based authentication. Strategy number 3 is to delete root access keys. Your root account should never have programmatic access keys, which consist of an access key ID and secret access key. These keys allow command line and API access to AWS, and having them for the root account is extremely dangerous. If access keys exist for your root account, you should delete them immediately from the Security Credentials page. There is no legitimate reason to have programmatic access keys for the root account. Let's review the essential best practices for root account security. First, use a strong, unique password stored in a password manager. Never reuse passwords from other accounts. Second, use a monitored email address for root account notifications so you're immediately aware of any login attempts or changes. Third, document your root account credentials in a secure location, such as an encrypted password vault or secure physical safe. And finally, create IAM users with appropriate permissions for your daily work. This way, you and your team can perform necessary tasks without ever needing to touch the root account.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.